Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing an apartment tour of my off-campus apartment so that you guys can kind of see how the off-campus housing is here. Usually upperclassmen do tend to stay on campus because the suites on the other side of campus are pretty nice, so people usually tend to lean towards that option more. I chose to live on campus because it's cheaper, so I don't have to pay for room and board, and that just really cuts off a lot of the tuition that I would usually be paying. So yeah, that's why I chose to live on campus. But here's my apartment. So when you first walk into my apartment, these are my roommates' rooms. So we have 2 rooms, and then we just got a shoe rack with most of our shoes on there. My roommates leave a couple of those in their room, and then we just have a table here just to put stuff on, and this is just storage, so we just keep like toilet paper and paper towel in here and napkins and stuff. And then we have our bathroom, and hello, there I am. And so just pretty small bathroom, nothing too fancy. It's actually a pretty good size. But yeah, so there's the bathroom. And then when we walk in here, we have our living room. So we just have a bookshelf where we just kind of put random stuff on there. Yeah, and then we have a couch and just 2 chairs. And then we got this lovely inflatable chair for like $5 at Aldi's. And then we just got our TV. And then we have a Wii, and like all the Wii stuff is in this ottoman. So there's all the Wii stuff right there. Yeah, and then we just got our dining room, napkin, Brita, just random stuff on there. And then we've got our kitchen. So we each have like our food, so this one's mine. And then the other 2 mates, their food. Maker, Brita, blender, rice cooker, a bunch of other food. And then we just got a toaster oven, nothing too hot. And then just unfortunately dishwasher in our apartment, so we just have a drying rack right there. Yeah, and then here we just have plates and bowls and stuff. And here we just have all our many mugs. We got forks, and utensils, and then in this one right here, and then right here we just have our cooking. And then we all keep a grocery so that every time we go shopping we just grab it and walk out the door pretty easily. So in my room, you guys have seen it. I've been filming, it's kind of messy. So the tapestry probably looks pretty. I usually film at my desk right here. So I have my mirror, and then I have my dresser. This is there. And then I've just got some cups, and then I have like my daily makeup glasses. And then I just have some like 2, just like because my ankle's being wonky. My calendar that I showed. And then here is it's not long enough to reach anywhere else. So yeah, I just have like some face stuff, some hair stuff, cards and whiteout and erasers. And then I just have some stuff. And I also have a bunch of pictures around. And then if we come down here, I've got my contacts, and then up here is just like my feminine products, and then down here I just like just random stuff. And here I have like and vitamins and stuff like that. And then I also have another 3-tier drawer, so more makeup, jewelry, and hair stuff. So it's like extra contacts, extra makeup wipes, extra lotion, like staying conditioner. And then down here I just have face masks. And then we just have my unmade bed. Sorry. And then those are just my dresses, and then I also have my laundry bag down there. Yeah, so my apartment tour. So for like laundry, that's how it is usually for off-campus housing, or some of which shouldn't be too far. Some of my friends do have to go to one, and they walk like 2 minutes. Get a little inside look of how messy my life really is. But yeah, see ya guys.